I'm Andrew, and this is my channel, Drew's Clues. This is my first video, and since Christmas is coming, I have 5 gifts that you might want to get for Christmas this year. My first pick is a doodling robot. If you like drawing or just mechanical toys, this is the one for you. My dad and I are going to build this, so stay tuned. I'm back, and this is what you get when you finish the robot. Following these instructions makes it a piece of cake. It was a piece of cake for me and my dad. Now I'm going to tell you about the robot. The robot has 3 things: arms, a weight, and a motor. The weight keeps the robot down on the paper. The motor helps the robot move. The arms hold the markers. The colors are red, blue, yellow. Guess what, guys? My favorite color is yellow. Your bot can make circles or cool straight lines. To make circles like this, your legs have to be facing in a downward position. It's cool. This is very, very cool, actually. I'm trapped. No! To make your robot go in straight lines, all of your robot's legs need to be facing in a downward direction, like this. Now let's see it in action. I had a great time building this with my dad, making these patterns. I'm telling you, this will be a cool Christmas gift. Thank you for watching my video, and today's Drew's Clue is, what's my favorite color? Comment down below what's my favorite color, and the first one to get it right gets a shout out in my next video. If you have a cool toy you want me to review, leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Drew out.